In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Cakewalk. So there's a bunch of different ways to actually remove background noise. I'm going to show you one using a noise gate, which I do think is the simplest to use, especially for beginners. So what you want to do is just go inside your track where you actually want to remove background noise, and you want to go to here where it says FX. You want to click on this plus button to show this rack menu. You want to insert audio FX over here, and you want to find over here where it says dynamics. Now from here you can go ahead and use your preferred noise gate. I'm just gonna go and use this Sonitus gate over here. I'm gonna click on it and it's going to look like this. Now what you want to do here is essentially just play your audio. So I'm gonna hit the spacebar to actually play it. It's some sample audio you'll hear right now. This is just some sample audio. There we go. Of course, this doesn't have much background noise, but it does have a little. So to actually remove that background noise, you can just play your audio and then adjust this threshold over here. So by default, it's minus 60 decibel. I'm gonna go and adjust this a bit so we can just go ahead and basically keep adjusting this and going lower. And then whenever you do this, you wanna move this knob downward until your main voice or instrument is heard clearly, but the background room noise cuts out during quiet pauses, okay? So you can just go as low as you can, of course, and the lower you go, of course, the less prominent your voice is going to be, but of course, there's also going to be less of kind of your rambling and the background noise in the back, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, whenever you found the perfect balance you can use, you could also fine-tune the attack and release knobs over here, so these two, so the beginnings and the ends of your words do not sound like clipped or chopped off, okay? So that's one of the easiest ways to remove background noise. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.